Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Ziggy Online Debate t-shirt. Now if you don't know what Ziggy is, it's essentially an NCFCA company, or rather a company that allows for practice rounds for both NCFCA and STOA in things like team policy, Lincoln Douglas, and even moot court and parliamentary debate. Ziggy has been a fundamental part of why I become a better debater. Going back to the fall of 2020, I actually enrolled in 6 different Ziggy debates per week because it was so helpful in letting me do practice rounds and really testing things out and having opportunities to practice that I wouldn't have otherwise had. So huge shout out to Ziggy, thank you so much. And I actually won a Ziggy t-shirt because I got first place in Speaker Awards in Ziggy Spring of 2021. So that's a shirt that we're going to be unboxing right here. The packaging right here is kind of coming off because it's been raining outside and they just put it on my front step and some water got into it. But not Ziggy's fault, so we'll just keep going on that. So you can notice that it's just a pretty normal brown paper bag. Actually, no, this is not brown, this is gray. Apparently I'm blind now. You'll notice on the back of it there's an M. I assume that probably stands for my last name, oh, unless it's a medium. Either my last name or medium. It's probably medium. I'll just call it my last name because I like to feel special. But yeah, no, other than that, it's a pretty normal package. I can't tell if it was paid to be here. It says it was paid. US Postage is paid, but it also says there's no surcharge. I'm just glad that it got here. You can also note that it comes from Texas. I was expecting this to come from Massachusetts, given that Isaac Somers lives in Massachusetts, but apparently not. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, so I got a pair of scissors over here. We're just gonna gently cut the top of it right here. I'm gonna make sure that I don't cut too deep. The last time I cut too deep on a package like that, it didn't go well. Alright, so I think... Oh. Awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna rip the rest of this open, just like that. And we've got the shirt. Okay, so packaging, we don't need that. This is a shirt, so I believe this is medium size. Let's look at, so this is the back, this is the front of the shirt, and this is the back, and it says, the best online debate tournament. I would highly agree with this statement. Honestly, Ziggy means more to me than NCFCA does, so I'm proud to have this shirt. I'll probably wear this a lot more. I'm gonna have to say that this is probably gonna be my second favorite shirt. Comes after my Texas shirt. And I think it's gonna beat my Coolidge shirt as well. So, honestly, highly recommend Ziggy if you are an NCSCA or STOA and need some practice rounds or just want to continue debating and just do some more debate. I recommend you can sign up for Ziggy. You can find a link in the description. But with that, thanks for watching and Ziggy forever.